Union Health Ministry today assured doctors of all possible efforts to ensure safety as services were impacted in the states in the wake of nationwide strike called by the Indian Medical Association IMA against the brutal rape and murder of a 31-year-old PG trainee in Kolkata. The ministry assured the associations of constituting a committee to suggest all possible measures for ensuring the safety of healthcare professionals. It said that representatives of all stakeholders, including the state governments, will be invited to share their suggestions with the panel. The West Bengal government today ordered the transfer of 42 doctors amid the ongoing RG car movement. After the government notification regarding the transfer from the health department dated August 15 surfaced, the medical fraternity and opposition parties claimed that the transfer of many doctors at one go is a reflection of the state government's vindictive attitude. They said these 42 doctors have been penalized for joining the movement spearheaded by the medical students and junior doctors. The ongoing strike called by the Indian Medical Association has disrupted health services across the country. Major government medical colleges and hospitals have ceased operations as a show of solidarity following the rape and murder of a trainee female doctor in Kolkata. This tragic incident has sparked widespread outrage within the medical community, leading to the suspension of medical services in protest. The strike has led to the complete shutdown of the outpatient department. The Indian Air Force, IAF, and Indian Army have successfully conducted the first precise para-drop operation of the Arogya Maitri Health Cube at a high-altitude area near 15,000 feet. These trauma care cubes were developed indigenously under Project BHISHM, Bharat Health Initiative for Sahyog Hita and Maitri. The operation aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of delivering critical supplies to areas affected by humanitarian aid and disaster relief (HADR), according to the official statement issued by the Defence Ministry. In a significant achievement for India's textile industry, the Northeastern Handicraft and Handlooms Development Corporation NEHDC under the Ministry of Development of Northeast Region DONER has secured the Oikotech certification for its Erie silk. This certification, directly awarded from Germany, was announced on the occasion of India's 78th Independence Day, marking a momentous step forward for the region's traditional craftsmanship and its position on the global stage. The results of the Gaza peace negotiation between Israel and the US, Egyptian, and Qatari mediators in Doha are not in line with US President Joe Biden's proposal presented to Hamas in July, said a Hamas source. The source explained that Israel tries in all rounds of negotiation to obtain more stops and procrastinate the implementation of any agreement reached to continue the killings against Palestinians in the Gaza Strip, Xinhua News Agency reported. The Kolkata derby match between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal FC of Durand Cup, scheduled to place on Sunday at Vivekananda Yuba Bharati Karangan, has been abandoned due to the state of unrest in the city and is likely to be relocated to Jamshedpur. The rape and murder of a postgraduate trainee doctor at RG Kar Medical College has sparked widespread protests throughout the city, and one of the main challenges, according to the municipal police, is maintaining protection.